With unrivaled views and walking distance to Palm Beach, it's very easy to see why this $18 million home is my dream beach house, and with some renovations, could take the spot as the best home in Palm Beach. This home has been enjoyed by one family for many generations, and it's easy to see why. The home is privately set on a massive double block across 2 separate titles, with a combined 1,160 square meters of land. Located on the south headland of Palm Beach, enjoy the spectacular 270-degree north-facing views from all 3 levels, with an aspect that spans the entire length of Palm Beach, Pittwater, and the Central Coast. The home feels suspended over the ocean, with galleries of glass framing the iconic views from the top floors. This is a weekender that's beautifully set up for accommodating extended families and lots of guests. All levels are fully self-contained with kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, and terraces. It is truly one of Palm Beach's most desirable properties.